Imagine massive cargo ships transporting thousands of containers across oceans and not needing to refuel for years. That kind of incredible endurance is what nuclear reactors offer. But China isn't just following the standard blueprint. They're going much farther with something revolutionary: the thorium molten salt reactor. The thorium molten salt reactor, or TMSR, is a type of advanced nuclear system. Unlike traditional reactors that rely on solid uranium fuel rods cooled by water, TMSRs are fundamentally different in a few key ways. First, fuel upgrade. It uses thorium, a way more abundant element than uranium. Second, the molten heart. Instead of using water for cooling, they dissolve the fuel right into high-temperature liquid salt. This molten salt handles two jobs. It's the fuel and the coolant. Talk about multitasking. Third, zero pressure, zero drama. It operates at atmospheric pressure. No massive pressure tanks needed. Less pressure means less stress. A big win for safety. China isn't just doodling ideas. Engineers at the Jiangnan Shipyard Group have revealed plans for a colossal cargo ship, a true behemoth carrying 14,000 containers, powered by one of these 200-megawatt thermal thorium reactor. So, why are they taking this radical route? The number one reason is safety. We all know the word nuclear can spark fear. But the thorium reactor is basically an idiot-proof reactor, thanks to its intrinsic safety features. First, the freeze plug, the most brilliant part. It's a small section of the molten salt that's kept solid. If something goes wrong, power cut, emergency, that plug melts. The liquid fuel then drains itself, using nothing but gravity, into a safe, cooled tank where it solidifies, locking the radioactive material away. Accident averted. Second, no explosions, guaranteed. Because it operates at zero pressure, you completely take the catastrophic explosion risk off the table. A crucial design feature when you're powering a ship in the middle of the ocean. Third, self-correction mode. The physics itself is a safety mechanism. If the reactor gets too hot, the reaction naturally slows down. It literally corrects itself before things can go wrong. But let's talk strategy. China's focus on thorium is driven by resources. China has massive, readily available thorium reserves, especially in Inner Mongolia. By using thorium, they reduce their reliance on imported uranium, a massive boost to their energy independence and national security. And the economics? Forget stopping to refuel every few months. The entire reactor is a sealed unit designed to last 10 years. After a decade, they don't refuel it. They swap the entire module for a fresh one, like changing a giant battery cartridge. This means less risk, less downtime, and these ships can sail for years on a single tank of fuel. That's a game changer for cost, speed, and the environment. So, China is strategically leveraging abundant domestic resources, proven technology from their Gobi Desert experiments, and a revolutionary design that prioritizes safety above all else. This isn't just about a new ship engine. It's about establishing maritime dominance through next-generation nuclear power. What are your thoughts on nuclear container ships? Is this the future of green shipping? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next tech breakdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.